of valid voters are deleted. Now we are talking about Rahim Boxi, who is said to be TMC's Malda district president, and so clearly not an ordinary Karyakarta, where he seems to be making this provocative stand and taking an oath on those voters whose names were in the draft list, saying that who have the valid voter cards and valid documents, and if their names are removed or if they are deleted, then there would be fire everywhere. Now, TMC right from the beginning has been against the poll body's SIR exercise, and now there is an open threat like this that has been issued, and this is coming in from a TMC leader. Well, this is, Rajesh, exactly when it comes to the fears that the Election Commission had given to the court there, citing that there is provocative statements and fear-mongering and such kind of a state that has now been built up, and this is coming in from the state government itself in West Bengal.
Exactly. This is such a provocative and shocking statement made by Trinamool Congress leader and also TMC MLA from Murshidabad. Now both the lawmakers are making such provocative statements against Election Commission. We have seen earlier TMC MLA from Farakka Assembly constituency, Manirul Islam, made almost this kind of comment yesterday, and after that now District President of Malda, Abdur Rahim Bakshi, has also made such provocative statements. They all have warned that if the name of the voters, the valid voters, are deleted from the final roll, then everything will be on fire, everything will be set on fire. And earlier Manirul Islam has also said the same thing, that fire will be everywhere in Murshidabad district after 19th of January if the valid voters are deleted from the final roll of SIR. And not only that, he also warned Election Commission. He has demanded the resignation of Election Commissioner, and following which Malda District President Abdur Rahim Bakshi has also warned the same thing. He has said that if they are keeping an eye on the final voter list, and if the names of valid voters who has the valid documents, who are the voters and they are listed in the draft roll, if their names are deleted, then everything will be on fire. So this is such a provocative and shocking statement.
But Rajesh, also tell us about the directions that was given by the court itself as far as who is responsible when it comes to maintaining law and order in the state, and especially providing security to the staff of the poll body.
Definitely, state government is responsible for maintaining the law and order inside the state of West Bengal. Definitely, and state police will be responsible if something happens like this. And all those teams leaders who are
stay on with us, Rajesh. We're trying political reactions on this. Rahul Sinha जी हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे जुड़ गए हैं. राहुल सिन्हा जी, कुछ दिन पहले ये सीधे तौर पे कोर्ट की तरफ से डायरेक्शंस आए थे, आदेश आए थे कि अगर लॉ एंड ऑर्डर मेंटेन करने की जो जिम्मेदारी है वो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की है, वो राज्य सरकार की है, और यहाँ पर टीएमसी सरकार की बन जाती है बंगाल में. अब वहीं पर अगर एसआईआर एक्सरसाइज को लेकर अगर इस तरह से जो भड़काऊ भाषण दिए जा रहे कि आग लगा देंगे हर जगह अगर वैलिड वोटर्स का नाम हटा दिया जाता है, तो ये तो बयान सीधा टीएमसी के एमएलए की तरफ से आता हुआ नजर आ रहा है.
बात यही है, एसआईआर तृणमूल को ऐसा जगह में आज आके खड़ा कर दिया. तृणमूल देख रहा है आगे सिर्फ तृणमूल का विनाश ही विनाश, और इसीलिए खुद मुख्यमंत्री जैसा बयानबाजी करेंगे, मंत्री या उनका एमएलए तो ऐसा ही करेंगे. ये सारे कुछ के लिए जिम्मेदार ममता बनर्जी है. उन्होंने घेराव करो, महिला लोग आगे आ जाओ, जो लोग ऐसा करेगा उसका ऊपर हमला बोलो, ये सारे बात ममता बनर्जी का है. जो बात ममता बनर्जी उसका के उनका पार्टी का कार्यकर्ता उसी बात को अपना है. इस पे कार्रवाई होना चाहिए, और मैं मानता हूं जो इलेक्शन कमीशन को भी इस विषय पे दखल अंदाज करना चाहिए. एक एक जन का जो स्टेटमेंट है जो हिंसा फैलाता है, उस स्टेटमेंट के लिए राज्य सरकार को बाध्य हो,
क्योंकि ये एफिडेविट में इलेक्शन कमीशन ने खुद लिखा था कोर्ट में. धन्यवाद आपका राहुल सिन्हा जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. बिकॉज राजेश, दिस इज व्हाट द पोल बॉडी हैड सेड, that unlike other states, West Bengal is witnessing a significantly higher level of threats and obstructions during the SIR process.
Absolutely, there is no doubt, because one after another Trinamool leaders, and not only Trinamool leaders, they're elected public representatives, they're lawmakers. If such lawmakers make this kind of provocative statements, elections, then police, then how people of West Bengal will be safe in the state of West Bengal? That is the question is being raised on behalf of opposition parties. And BJP is now slamming Trinamool Congress for making such provocative statements, for instigating to the violence because election is already knocking at the door. So just ahead of election, when West Bengal is approaching to the election, now if such lawmakers and Trinamool strongmen and Trinamool leaders are making such comments, then there will be issue of law and order, and Trinamool leaders will be held responsible for this kind of violence and law and order issues. This is the question is being raised on behalf of BJP leaders in West Bengal.
So has the TMC taken note of the statement and this provocative statement that is coming in from their own leaders or not? Because this is probably for the first time, Rajesh, we are looking at the chief minister being named as far as when it comes to provocation is concerned, and the misinformation that is now being spread about the revision exercise.
We asked the top leaders of Trinamool Congress state leadership, but they are not willing to make a comment on this issue. Since he said we are still trying to take reactions from the ruling party as well. But ruling party leaders are not willing to comment on this. But they have said that they are keeping an eye on all those district level leadership on behalf of state leadership.
All right, because in its affidavit, the Election Commission had alleged that the state government, the leaders there were holding press briefings to spread fear, and it was being circulated and misleading and incorrect information regarding SIR. But here is West Bengal TMC MLA issuing an open thread that there would be fire everywhere if valid voters' names is deleted from the list. Listen to him once again.